of need. Like Luke, the owner of a local restaurant and bar in Chapel Hill, Brisbane, who said JobKeeper saved our bacon, and Adrian, owner of an auto business, sorry, sorry. Lucky I've got some water. Too long a speech. Sorry, my voice has gone down. Sorry. Like Luke, the owner of a local restaurant and bar in Chapel Hill, Brisbane, who said JobKeeper saved our bacon, and Adrian, owner of an auto business in Moona, Hobart, who said JobKeeper has turned out to be a saviour. We effectively doubled unemployment benefits with the introduction of a temporary $550 coronavirus supplement for JobKeepers. We waived the waiting period, adjusted mutual obligation requirements, and expanded the partner income test to ensure it reached those in need.